guys, I just got home. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm now preparing my dinner. You know, the leftover from the lunch. It's egg and tuna. We put in there. We put some water. Yeah, that's enough. Thanks also. And actually, I'm now reheating the leftover rice. Oh, we put some of these chicken cubes. Yeah, we just wait for that to boil and it will be ready later. And this is it. Yeah, and I have a soft drinks, the leftover from last night with the pizza. And now I'll be replying to the comments. Oh, if you remember this morning, yeah, before leaving, I put this, and it's full of water. Yeah, it just means that there are a lot of waters being wasted. Good morning guys, it is now 1:30. We are going to work, but I need to get some money from the ATM machine. Yeah, I am supposed to pay the house rent yesterday, but I didn't have a chance to go to the ATM machine. That is why I went today. And then I am going to pay them tomorrow. Actually, it is okay for them because, you know, sometimes I am telling, oh sorry, yeah, something like that, and they, no problem, even if you are one day late or 1 week late, no problem. You are family, something like that. Good morning guys, how are you today? Yeah, so I just finished my laundry, but you know, I still have here yeah, these are the apron and trouser. You know, when I was outside doing that laundry thing, my landlord is there and the other neighbor is on their terrace, and they had a conversation that this place is really good, peaceful, something like that. And the lady said, yeah, we are lucky that we don't have bad guys around the area, something like that. Yeah, and then they point me that I am also a good guy. Yeah. And then later on they talk about the age. They didn't really ask me how old I am, but they said this guy is more than 20 but below 50. Something like that. Yeah, and then later on I said how old I am, and they said I look really young. Nice, it's a good day. But you know, my bike is not working very well. I mean the brakes. There is problem with the brakes. I don't know exactly. Yeah. Yeah, it happens like a third time already. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm going to try it today. Yeah, I switch on the electric and there is sound. You can hear that, right? So good, it's now working very well again. Yeah, nice. Maybe it's just a little grounded, something like that. Good morning. Okay, problem is solved. Yeah, it is now 9:30. I defrosted one burger patty. Someone who loved me as me. Nice weather outside as always, and yeah, this is it. I don't know how it tastes, but it looks like beef noodles. Then this leftover will be my dinner. And you know, I have this Borandi ginger beer. I bought it from Aldi. And this is my first time to have this. This is not beer, but when I bought this, I asked the cashier if is this a beer? He said no. And then yeah, we had a conversation, and he said, "Enjoy your beer." Good morning, guys. Yeah, that's the time. I'm now preparing my like lunch because you know I had my breakfast, which is bread and coffee, and I am preparing this eggplant. I have this for almost 2 weeks, but still so good because I covered with it cling film, so you know it's like it's fresh still. Yeah, with egg. Maybe I put some hot dog. Yeah, this is frozen. That is how it looks like today. It just looks like going to rain. Yeah. Hey, I'm already near to my workplace, and this is how it is today. As you can see, the water is white, sparkling, a little annoying in the eye. Yeah, that's because of the clouds. It is nice. Most of the time it is color blue, but you know, not to make it boring, God created it that way. Yeah, so yeah, really. There are people there, they are having a picnic, and their cars are parked there, and there are more people are coming. And I am having this coffee. Yeah, this is Nescafe. And I also have a crackers here. This is really good. This is my favorite. Like a wafer. Yeah. I still have around 30 minutes to start my duty.